Hello and welcome to week 2 of my documentary journey to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Last week I embarked on a journey to document and capture my journey to getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you have not seen the video of week 1, I will provide the description to the link below. And just a quick recap for those of you who just joined me on my journey. My name is Wanny Huynh. I am an author, speaker, entrepreneur, and coach. Back in 2013, I knew that YouTube was a great platform to reach the mass audience. I want to share the message of hope and hope to inspire audience around the world with my message. I started to upload 1 and 2 videos to my YouTube channel, but then I stopped. I stopped because I didn't have the time. Most of my time was spent doing public speaking and publishing my books. I wasn't putting a lot of time and effort into my YouTube channel. Fast forward to today, we are close to the end of 2019. I decided that I want to go all in with YouTube. That means that I will be uploading video on a regular basis. As a coach, I teach entrepreneurs how to build and start an online business. YouTube is a great vehicle if you want to get your message out and build a brand. I decided to set out and share with my student, and for any aspiring YouTuber out there who is thinking about using YouTube as a platform to build their brand and also to grow their follower. This video will document my journey and progress of how I go about doing it. I am not a YouTube expert. I'm still learning about YouTube. And I'm excited about this journey because I am taking my student and viewer on a journey from the ground up on how I build my subscriber. The task is not easy. That's why I want to document everything that I am doing so that others can learn and benefit from my trial and error. This is week 2, and in a little bit I will take you to my YouTube dashboard to show you real numbers in real time, my progress to growing my YouTube subscriber. Okay, we're on my dashboard here on YouTube dashboard. We're looking at my analytic page, and this is the last 7 days data. Over here you can see that in the last 7 days I have gained 2 new subscribers. My view went down quite a bit, 31% compared to last week, and the reason why I believe it went down is because this week was the holiday, Christmas holiday here in the United States, and I have not been sharing any of my videos on social media. That play a big factor as far as why I'm not getting a lot of view. Also, the last 7 days I've been uploading 1 video every day, total of 7 video this last week. And over here, top video, as you can see, journey to 1,000 subscribers, have the most view, even though we're at 20 view right now. That is work in progress, ladies and gentlemen. Eventually, hopefully, in the next couple weeks or so, we'll see the number start to increase as I start to learn more about the YouTube strategies and views and keywords and all that good stuff. But I just want to give you a quick update on week 2 progress, where we at. Number wise, not looking too impressive. So that's where we at right now. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You just saw a screenshot of my YouTube dashboard. Like I have mentioned, the view were down 31%. One of the reasons why I think was because I did not share it on my social media as much as I should. Plus, it was a holiday weekend. I'm not sure if that played a big factor or not. Here's what I have learned this past week. I learned that you need to have a catchy thumbnail and title. I also learned that keyword is key if you want to rank your video high in the search engine. To do that, you need to start using searchable keyword. find out what people are searching for, and then use those keywords in your video description and tag. That is it for this week. If anyone have any suggestion or tip that I did not cover in this video, please share them in the comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for week 3, where I will be sharing with you my journey to 1,000 subscribers. I will be uploading my journey every Friday. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon. That way you won't miss out when the video is being uploaded. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next week.